The conditions look absolutely perfect here. Very calm compared to the rest of the lake, sheltered from all the winds, so great. Just have a few casts here around the shallows to begin with. See if there's anything sitting nearby. And we got on the copper size 2 maps. And here we go. There we go, finally something. Gone. Don't know what it was, I think it might have been a small perch. There's something. Done. Perch. And there we got off, perfect. Another okay perch, but we're gonna get a brownie. That's what we want. We're going to something else again anyway. The swimming perch. Yeah, little guy got off. We'll fish the last section of this bay here now. Pretty deep right in front of me. So I'll start again kind of near the shoreline to the right and we'll work our way back over. There we go. Assuming perch again, just because they seem to be perch all the time. Oh, it's a brownie. A little guy, but a nice Killarney brown trout finally. Again, tiny guy, but beautiful. Black spots, dark. Lake trout, beautiful. We'll let him go. There you go, buddy. Finally, a brown trout. Not much to write home about, but a brownie all the same. Stuck in something. I'm after getting free. I got a fish. I think it's a perch. Yeah, it's a perch. Nice perch. Trying to give you a look before we get him back. Let him back. Nice size perch there, was stuck. I seem to be stuck in some weeds and I came around here to release it, and as I got it out he took it, I think. There we go. Took that as it was even dropping. Zooming into the perch. See here shortly. Yeah. Who came out in the net? There we go, smaller guy than the first couple, let him back. Okay, we fished the rest of this bay and fished the shallows ahead of me first. There we go, finally something on. And it's a perch. Still a bit of action. Get the pliers for him. There we go. Try to get a look at him before we throw him back without cutting myself on the spike. There he is. Another Killarney perch. It's been a tough morning. Had a few perch early on and a thing then for the last few hours, but can't complain. Look at this beautiful woodland setting and a beautiful lake. It's surrounded by mountains we've been on all morning, so that's what it's all about.